Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric sedans on the planet, the 2023 BYD Seal. This machine isn't just another EV entering a crowded marketplace. It is a direct, uncompromising shot across the bow of the Tesla Model 3. BYD has been absolutely dominating global EV sales, and the Seal represents their absolute pinnacle of design, performance, and engineering to date. Stepping outside and taking a look at the exterior, the BYD Seal immediately captures your attention with its ocean aesthetics design language. The sleek, low-slung, coupe-like silhouette gives it a drag coefficient of just 0.219 CD, slicing through the air like a blade. Up front, you get striking W-wave LED headlights paired with sharp air curtains that give the front fascia an aggressive, low-to-the-ground stance. Moving along the side profile, flush-fitting door handles pop out smoothly when unlocked, accentuating the clean bodyside surfaces, while the bold 19-inch alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly. Towards the back, the full-width LED taillight bar features an intricate drop-array light matrix that looks absolute magic at night. Moving into the cabin, the interior of the 2023 BYD Seal takes luxury and tech to a whole new level for this price bracket. The highlight of the dash is BYD's signature 15.6-inch rotatable infotainment touchscreen that seamlessly switches between portrait and landscape modes with a single button press. The premium quilted leather sport seats are exceptionally plush, providing both heating and ventilation for ultimate long-distance comfort. Under the hood and underneath the floorboards lies the true magic of the BYD Seal. Powered by BYD's revolutionary structural blade battery, utilizing ultra-safe LFP chemistry, the battery is integrated directly into the car's body structure, using cell-to-body technology. Depending on the spec you choose, options range from the rear-wheel drive single motor, producing 204 or 308 horsepower, up to the flagship dual-motor Performance AWD model. The performance version delivers a staggering 523 horsepower and 670 Nm of instant torque, launching this sedan from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mind-bending 3.8 seconds. Equipped with the larger 82.5 kWh battery pack, the Seal delivers an estimated driving range of up to 570 km on a single charge, while a 150 kWh DC fast charging gets you from 30 to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. When talking about price, the 2023 BYD Seal offers undeniable value for money. Depending on your region and the chosen variant, from the entry-level dynamic trim up to the high-performance Excellence AWD, pricing typically starts around $40,000 and tops out around $55,000 USD. When you stack that price against established competitors in the luxury electric segment, you are receiving performance, build quality, and standard equipment usually reserved for cars costing $20,000 more. Safety is another area where BYD refused to compromise. The 2023 Seal earned a flawless 5-star rating in both Euro NCAP and ANCAP safety testing. It comes packed with a complete suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree high-definition surround camera system. Furthermore, the blade battery itself underwent the infamous nail penetration test, proving it will not catch fire or explode even under severe physical puncture conditions, giving you complete peace of mind on every journey. To summarize, the 2023 BYD Seal is a triumph of modern automotive engineering. It manages to combine striking looks, exceptional cabin luxury, blistering electric speed, cutting-edge battery safety, and impressive real-world range into a package that undercuts its primary competition on price. Whether you are looking for a practical, efficient daily driver or a high-performance sports sedan that pinches you back into your seat, the Seal ticks every single box effortlessly. That wraps up our complete review of the 2023 BYD Seal. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment down below letting me know if you would choose this over a Tesla Model 3, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more raw, in-depth automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, drive safe,